Digging into Battlefield 2, modding and encountered BFF archive files. These contain the game's core asset data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract and work with these Battlefield 2 game data files. We're tackling this BFF file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. BFF files are game archive files for Battlefield 2, the first-person shooter by DICE and Electronic Arts. They contain packaged game assets including 3D models, textures, animations, sounds level data, and configuration files compressed into archive bundles for efficient distribution and loading by the game engine. Battlefield 2 BFF files use a proprietary archive format with a header file table and compressed data blocks storing the game's asset hierarchy. The format uses zlib compression for individual entries and organizes content by asset type and level association for stream loading during gameplay. The BFF format was designed to be handled by Battlefield 2 from Digital Illusion CE, DICE. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your BFF file and choose Open With. Test Battlefield 2 first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your BFF file is not opening yet, that is normal. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, extracting with BF2 Tools. Download the Battlefield 2 modding tools, including the BF2 editor or community extraction utilities. Open the BFF file in the extraction tool to browse the archive directory and extract individual assets or entire content branches. Extracted files include mesh textures, material definitions, and game configuration data. Next, browsing archive contents. Use community tools like BF2 FileManager or Python-based BFF extractors to list and extract BFF archive contents. These tools display the internal file hierarchy, allowing targeted extraction of specific models, textures, or configuration files needed for modding without extracting the entire multi-gigabyte archive. Finally, modding workflow. Extract the assets you need. To modify, create your changes, and package them into mod folder structures, following the BF2 modding documentation. Place modified files in the mods directory structure, which overrides the original BFF content. The game loads mod folder contents in preference to BFF archive data, enabling non-destructive modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at FileMagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.